In the realm of Java, a commonly used programming language, there's a concept that is intriguing and fundamental: abstraction. But what is abstraction? In simple terms, abstraction in Java is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and only providing the functionality to them. Think of it as a car. A driver doesn't need to know the intricate workings of the engine to drive the car. They only need to know how to operate it. That's abstraction in a nutshell. To illustrate this concept further, imagine a scenario where you're creating a program for a coffee machine. The user doesn't need to know the entire process of how the coffee is made. They only need to press the button and get their coffee. In this case, the process of making coffee is hidden from the user. This is an example of abstraction in Java. Abstraction can be achieved in two ways: abstract classes and interfaces. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated, meaning you cannot create an object of an abstract class. It can only be used as a superclass for other classes. An abstract class can include abstract methods, methods that are declared without an implementation. On the other hand, an interface is a completely abstract class that includes only abstract methods. An interface can be used to achieve total abstraction. Classes that implement an interface must provide an implementation for all the methods declared in the interface. Now, why is abstraction important in Java? Well, it helps in reducing the complexity of viewing things. It allows you to hide the details and show only the essentials. It also aids in the separation of roles, which means every object gets to play its role independently of others. Moreover, abstraction enhances security, as only necessary details are provided to the user, while the inner details are hidden. For example, when you send an email, you compose and send it. You don't need to understand the underlying protocol that's being used to send the email. That's the power of abstraction. To sum up, abstraction in Java is implementation details from the user, only showing the necessary functionality. It can be achieved using abstract classes and interfaces. Abstraction reduces complexity, separates roles, and boosts security by hiding inner details from users. Remember, a good Java developer knows how and when to use abstraction to make code more flexible, secure, and understandable. And now, you're well on your way to becoming one. Until next time, keep coding and exploring the fascinating world of Java.